What's happening, Adventureland? I'm over here waiting on my grandmother. She's made it. She's behind me over there. You can see her. Heading over to my buddy Colin's house. On the way to take my grandmother out of my neighborhood so that she can find her way home. You know how that goes. So anyhow, got to take a tree down for my buddy Colin. Don't have to do any cleanup or anything, just have to take it down. And somebody else will take care of the mess. So just a little action video. I thought it'd be fun. I enjoy doing this stuff, so do me a favor, hit like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends, family, co-workers, those you hate, those you love. I mean, everybody should see them, you know? All right, we'll see you in a minute. So, fun fact about Colin, if you've seen the movie Baby Driver, there's a scene in the movie where you see a hand grab a hold of the stick shift and shift it into gear and a foot slam down on the gas and off the clutch. That was Colin's hands and feet. He was an extra, and they asked him to do that part in the movie. So what I call him is Baby Hands. Let me tell my grandmother to keep going. Let's make sure she continues going, and she does. She made it. Love her to death. It's my abuelita. My family's from Cuba. They escaped in the early '60s. Thank God. So anyhow, Colin and Kelly live off of this road down here in Georgia, in this really old house built in the early 1900s. You're about to see it. Of course, it's got jogging in my way. So look at this place. Unbelievable. So there it is. That's what we're taking down. Yeah, this should be super easy. It's so small. But it'll be fun. Got a chicken coop going in. Yeah, it's no big deal. But it'll be a blast. It's probably, I don't know, maybe 30 feet. Maybe. To the very tippy top. So I almost got to do all of these. Somebody else got that who has a chipper. Because I don't have a chipper. Though I tried to be chipper. I don't have a physical chipper, so. I have my other line with me that I'll use when I get a little higher. But right now I'm just trying to get up the tree. I've always got my, this pressic on a D-ring, hand stitched. Stop crying. So I can do that if I need to. Hold you right on the tree. And I'll probably use it as I get up a little higher. You're my hero. Thanks, buddy. You're on camera. Oh, am I? Yeah. There he is, Colin, Baby Hands. How you doing, dude? I'm doing great, man. About to go up. Okay, cool. Whenever you're done, come on in. We've got some hummingbird cake for you to bring home. Some what? Kelly and I made hummingbird cake. We have way too much, so we have some for you to bring home. Is it made with real hummingbirds or different? Yeah, okay. Very high in protein. Love that guy. Oh, I see. Okay. So not a good idea with this tool, this Gibbs Climb Air, to tie your lanyard up on yourself, because it jacks up the way that it goes into the all right. And heck with that crap, pull up the chainsaw. Isn't that nice? now. My saw doesn't. Awesome. So I didn't have to rim this. If I'm being honest, I'm doing it for practice. Callie, I don't know what it is about being up in the air or being up in a tree. Since I was a kid, I'm climbing pines, 60 feet or more, half dead. You know, stupid, but there is literally something about being up here. Can't find it anywhere else. Oh, I mean, maybe skydiving. Alright, time for the clip. This is great because if you fall, it catches you if you gaff out or you get knocked off your spurs. It just holds, right? No weight on spurs right now. Also allows you to take a rest, which is cannot wait trying to get my rope out. Old bucking Billy Ray taught me that trick. Well, I think I should have been closer to the limb. Anyway, cut it closer. I should have cut it even a little bit closer, but you let it start tearing away at the cambium, and you are able to grab it before it falls. All right, so I'll take these out, and I'll take that out and take the top and drop it over there. Well, sounds like a plan, man. Nope, it's buried. Darn it. I'll take this out and we'll throw the top over here. Straight as an arrow. Like if you're 100 feet or you're 30 feet, it's the tops all look the same. If you focus on what's in front of you, you don't have to worry. Or you don't get so caught up in the height. I remember when I first started climbing, I had climbed up the ladder to gain 40 feet and was about to climb onto the tree for the first time, and I froze. And I was looking down and then just told myself, look at what's in front of you. Worry about that. And I was able to make the climb. Wasn't too bad. You just gotta focus on what's in front of you, not what's below you, no matter how far. You know what I will do, just for safety. Oh yeah, duh. Yeah, this is also hand stitched. Ice tail from Samson. It's pretty nice. One more. All right. This is an added measure of security. It gives me a few feet. I can draw it down. So I cut it a little too high. That's all right. Lesson learned, as it were. Cool shadow. This makes it real easy. Yeah, that's the hard part when you don't have it cleared out real good. It's stuck on crap. Auto off on my saw. That was planned. It recognizes that I'm not using it, so it turns itself off. It's a feature. Well, you see how flat that landed? I'm just kidding. There's a math equation for it. It's like, it's 100 feet tall, you cut off 20 feet, it'll land flat after it makes half rotation. Obviously, I haven't got that part down. Brand new to the business. Just started. Like my buddy Jeff. Practice a snap cut. See how that works. Something like that. Sweet. Can't wait to try to dig my bag of rope out. Excuse me. slow motion. Okay. I always find it best to get rid of the saw first. This is gonna either go really well or horribly wrong. I'm gonna lose my camera. That's pretty nice. All right, that's it. That's a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm out.